morning viewers. My name is Akash Sethi and I am a third year undergraduate medical student studying in Government Medical College, Baroda, Gujarat, India. During this time of global lockdown, the place where people are increasingly accessing the information about coronavirus is not the authentic sources of websites, but they are increasingly depending on the smartphone, WhatsApp and other ways of social media forward. WhatsApp forwards as well as social media posts mislead people. Therefore, me as a medical student owe a duty to educate people about the right information. I have come up with a mobile-based application named KORONA, which means KnockOut coronavirus. Now this application is compatible to work on all Android platforms. Via this application, people will be able to access authentic and correct information about the coronavirus. With the traditional sources of information like the websites, the only problem that occurs is that people are not ready to accept the information which is given to them in a plain, readable text format. My app eliminates all the boredom in accessing the information by making the user interface interactive as well as audio-visual. The characters in the game are talking to each other and by this way, in turn giving the information to the people. The information that is available through my application includes the preventive measures like social distancing, information on mask, hand washing steps in details, symptoms of the disease, and especially what to do when you have these symptoms. Now let's look at the application in action in my next video. Thank you.